Understanding Rhythmic Drive in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically the term rhythmic drive. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry. We're here to break it down in a simple and engaging way. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and unlock the secrets of rhythmic drive. Rhythmic drive refers to the dynamic and compelling flow of sounds or words, particularly in music, speech, or writing. It's about how certain rhythms can create a sense of movement and energy. In English, this is often achieved through stress patterns, intonation, and the natural cadence of words. Think of it like the heartbeat of a song or the pulse of a compelling speech. Let's delve into some examples. In music, rhythmic drive might be the catchy beat that makes you want to dance. In poetry, it could be the meter that gives a poem its flow and energy. Take, for example, the works of Shakespeare or the lyrics of a hit pop song. Both use rhythm to engage and move their audience. You might wonder, how does this apply to me? Well, rhythmic drive is not just for artists. It's present in everyday English too. When you stress certain words in a sentence or use a varied tone while speaking, you're adding rhythm to your language. This can make your speech more engaging and effective. For English learners, understanding and practicing rhythmic drive can greatly improve your speaking and listening skills. Try listening to English songs, practicing poetry recitation, or even mimicking the speech patterns of native speakers. Notice the rhythm in their speech and how it adds emotion and emphasis. So, there you have it. Rhythmic drive is all about the pulse and flow of language, creating an engaging and dynamic way of expression. Whether in music, poetry, or everyday conversation, it adds life to our words. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll soon feel the rhythm in your own English journey.